engraved and embossed details such as text are large enough to be readable. Let's draw a box, then embed and emboss text onto it. We'll begin with embossing text onto the box. We're going to see how the model prints if we make the text approximately 0.5mm thick. We can approximate this by drawing a 0.5mm reference wall and scaling the text accordingly. So let's move our reference on top of the text and then scale the text down to make the thicknesses roughly match. So this looks about right. Now let's duplicate the text and engrave it into the box by using the hole function. So we're going to move the copied version over to the right. Make sure both are roughly in the middle of the box. And then we're going to turn it into a hole and move the hole downwards into the box. Finally, we're going to group everything together to create a single body that we can send to the 3D printer. Because our text thickness is 0.5mm, which is larger than our nozzle diameter, we can assume that the text will print. As you can see, the engraved and embossed text is just about readable. However, we do not recommend embossing and engraving features under 0.5mm in thickness. Let's take a look at this Egyptian obelisk, which has very small hieroglyphics embossed onto the surface. We can check the thickness of these features by again drawing a reference wall that is 0.5mm thick. We can then gauge which parts of the model may require attention and scale them accordingly.